Hello and congratulations. So you've just won a new instruction. Here's what to do next to get this property on the market. Okay, so there are two routes to registering a property. One is via the add menu here. The other way is via the valuation. So from a valuation you will convert it into a property. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's follow on from where we last left. Right, the first thing we'll do is add some photographs. Simply drag and drop photos from your local computer or your camera. If you press the Shift key, you're able to select multiple images. The system will automatically resize your photographs, but it's advisable to upload them in a landscape format as opposed to portrait. Let's create a virtual tour. Right, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm uploading a photo from my computer, but this can be done from a mobile phone. On the right hand side you'll find a list of cameras that we've tried and tested, and the reason why we chose these particular cameras is because they were the most user friendly from the moment you took the photo to uploading it into the system. We'll get on to EPC charts in a moment. QR codes can be displayed on your window cards, which is a link to the details page. But for now, let's proceed on to adding a floor plan. And as with the photographs, select the floor plans to upload. Right, now that we've uploaded photographs, floor plans, EPC charts, etc., let's proceed on to completing the rest of the information. Right, if you're uploading to property portals, it's important to get this information right. Otherwise it may be rejected and could cause a delay in your marketing. So the postcode needs two separate parts, then use the address finder to automatically populate the rest of the information, and by doing so it will also pull the longitude and latitude, and that's used, for example, on your website to pinpoint the properties on the map and for your search to function. We'll fill out the obvious bits of information. Select between 6 to 8 features that will appear as bullet points on your website, on portals, and also on your printed material. Right, let's move on to the next tab, and here's where you would enter descriptions. For the short summary, you're able to generate unique descriptions at the click of a button. As you can see here, it's automatically pulled the information from the previous tab. For the full summary, we'll just duplicate the short description. If you're copy and pasting from a document such as Word, it's advisable to use the paste as plain text feature found in the edit menu here. This will ensure that it doesn't get declined from any of the marketing channels. Instead of your long description, you may choose to use room by room measurements. Enter measurements in the first and third box, and enter any comments in the second and fourth box. Let's create an EPC chart. And to the Publish tab. This is where you'll find additional information that gets uploaded to portals and also social media channels. The status menu here is only applicable to your own website and your marketing materials such as window cards. Let's select the virtual tour that we created earlier. Let's copy over the descriptions that we created earlier. Customize the way your address appears on the portals. The status panel on the right hand side lets you quickly spot any missing information. It's advisable to click the link here to see if the system spotted any errors that could cause the property from being rejected by the portals. You may want to check your to-do items. Use the print menu to print or email a new instruction letter. Okay, let's get this property live on the market. So first of all, we'll publish this on the website and on the portals. Go to Publish. This will immediately go live on your website. To feed this property to the portal, we need to select Yes here. Further down, select which portals you wish to feed to in real time. The portal feeds found here at the bottom are fed on a daily basis. Now that your property is live, let's print a window card. And feel free to make any amendments before you print it out. Okay, the property has been published on the website, portals and social media channels. We've printed a property card. Now let's pull up a list of matching applicants. Select the applicants to send an email. Now let's view a slideshow. Now that you've seen a slideshow, the final part to conclude this tutorial is to print a property list. So let's go to the list page. And select a list template from the menu here. Okay, this concludes this tutorial. Here's a quick recap on what we've just covered. Bye for now.